Namaste. Now we will continue with the 27th sloka in chapter 2. Jātasya hi dhruvo mṛtyur dhruvaṁ janma mṛtasya cha tasmād aparihārye'rthe tvaṁ śocitum arhasi. Jātasya hi dhruvaha mṛtyuh dhruvaṁ janma mṛtasya cha tasmād aparihārye'rthe tvaṁ śocitum arhasi. In the previous sloka, Bhagavan had said that even if you consider that the self is born with the body and dies with the body, you ought not to grieve. Here, Bhagavan gives the reason, saying that jātasya hi dhruvaha mṛtyuh. Something or someone who's born certainly dies. Dhruvaha meaning for certain. Dhruvaṁ janma mṛtasya cha, and one who dies, birth is certain. We are all aware of death. We all know that death is certain for someone who is born on earth. But Bhagavan here clearly says that birth is certain for someone who dies. And he says that tasmād, therefore, aparihārye'rthe. This is something you cannot find any solution. There is a saying, that which cannot be cured should be endured. So here Bhagavan says that this is something you cannot do anything much. So, tvaṁ śocitum arhasi. Therefore, don't worry about it. You should not worry about it, is what Bhagavan is saying here. We may think that Brahma, Indra, etc. don't have deaths. But the truth is that even Indra and Brahma have an end. The time period of Brahma is supposed to be 100 years, and in one day of Brahma, 1,000 Chaturyugas come and go. So one day of Brahma has 1,000 Chaturyugas. What is Chaturyuga? Chaturyuga is basically 4 yugas combined. Satya, Dvapara, Treta and Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga in human years is 4,32,000 years. So one Chaturyuga has a time span of roughly 43 lakh years. So this is one Chaturyuga, and in one day of Brahma, almost 1,000 Chaturyugas come. And in one day, 14 Manus come and go. Right now, the Manu's name is Vaivasvata Manu, which we all see in Sankalpam. So, at the end of the day, Brahma's day, he goes to sleep, and there is a pralayam where the worlds above and below are destroyed, except Brahmalokam. And at the end of 100 years of Brahma, even Brahma dissolves or goes away. Indra or Brahma is also like a post like PM or President. Someone who becomes fit can occupy that post. For instance, the Shastras say that one who has done 100 Ashwamedha Yagas is fit to become Indra. We also hear of Chiranjeevis like Ashwathama, Bali, Parashurama, Kripa, Markandeya, Vyasa, Hanuman, Vibhishana. But they also die at the end of a kalpa. And as long as there is ignorance, birth is certain. And the type of body one gets will depend on the karma one has. We'll continue again with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.